Honestly, such a beautiful day today. So today we are April 9th, yeah, and this is the PNL. So 667 on the day, bro. Absolutely beautiful. So I'm gonna pretty much go over exactly what went through my mind, why I took the trade, and just my overall bias coming into the day. So first thing, starting it all off, we had these relative equals swing high on the daily time frame. So that was really pushing me for having a bullish bias today. So this was one of the reasons I wanted to see us get bought up in higher positions. 4 hour time frame, I wasn't really crazy about it. There wasn't really much information other than as well. I wouldn't actually say there's a swing high actually. So completely forgot what I just said that. But we did have this very strong news candle that was the cease war. So I wasn't 100% sure if we'd want to come down to tap into EQ, but if we do want to tap inside of this 4 hour, we would have to take out this low in the market, this internal low. So that was also kept in mind. But on the 4 hour time frame, we did have relative equals as well as that daily swing. So going down to the 15-minute, let's turn on session profile. We did have a very clear session profile where London swept out Asia low and then we're having that rejection higher. So that was very nice to see. I really enjoyed to see that. Now, this is where it kind of gets a little tricky. So on the 15-minute time frame, we had a very clean fair value gap. So we had a 15-minute fair value gap, and we also had a fair value gap on the 5-minute right over here. So keeping that in mind, I right away, I really wanted to see this internal low get taken. We pretty much like, bro, like 1 point away. We didn't take out the internal low. I was kind of triggered, honestly, at that point, because that's honestly my main rule is if we already have the fair value gap that has got retraced, I do want to see internal low get taken before we have the rejection. But bro, we were literally one tick away from taking internal lows, and there was just no way because bro, we literally wicked the fair value gap. Look at this crazy wick candle. I had to fucking take the entry, bro. I had to risk it. So right away, the highest time frame inversion was this 2-minute inversion. So right over here, ended up taking the trade. Honestly, got a very good fill. And bro, aimed for straight. This was actually like a 1.6 RR trade. So beautiful trade. Aimed right for these wick highs, and it was a gorgeous trade. I can't even lie. I do agree. Everyone in the comments is probably gonna flame me for not waiting for internal lows to get taken. But bro, at the end of the day, it's TP. I'll take it. And this is honestly just my winning model. So guys, I took this live in my Discord. So if you want to live trade with me, I have a link down below. It's the first link. Go check it out. And if you also need some funded accounts, some discounts, I got some links down below. And yeah, leave a like, subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you think. And let me know if you took this trade as well. So have a beautiful rest of your day. Peace.